Hey there guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be putting in some T-posts. So the black thing on the right is your normal T-post pounder driver. Works alright. But on the left here is what I made for going on the skid steer. If you got two people helping you, you can have one person load the post into here and line up the bottom, and then the operator just centers this and pushes it in. It acts as a level. So I got to do a little fixing on it though. I didn't notice this when I last used it, but it's got a bend in it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Should be able to see when I put the level on it. I was told when I purchased this pipe that was extreme overkill. As you can see, the size difference in the wall of the pipe, I don't remember for sure. I thought this was like schedule 80. I was told that would be overkill. It normally pushes the posts right in like butter, but I do remember one of the last times I used it, I pushed in a post next to a tree, well, a tree stump, and it must have hit a rut. So I don't know if that's how that ended up getting bent, but I'm gonna do a little bit of fixing on it quick before I use it, and I'll show you guys how it works. Well, I got the driver pretty much straightened out, but when you're doing the one-man operation, it's pretty hard to get the post to go in here because this is a fairly snug fit. I'm gonna see about making a little cone on the end to help guide it in a little bit. Well, here's what I come up with. This is an old nut off the top of a Harbor Freight bottle jack I had laying around. The jack blew apart. So I went and turned a taper inside of it. It's a fair amount bigger than before. So I'll go and taper the inside of this a little bit because I took this too big. It was originally the same size, but I'll taper that a little bit in there, and then I'll weld that piece on there. That should help a little bit when it's one guy running this thing. So the way this thing goes on, just kind of goes like this. And then that will swing and pivot on there. I tapered this so it slides in a little bit easier. And it seems like, just like always, when you want to do something outside, it starts raining. Well, let's go try this anyways. I got all the post started with the post driver just a few inches, so hopefully this will just slip on there and push them right in. Here we go. So right now it's kind of hanging straight forward, but if I roll the bucket, and then roll the bucket a little more. Once you get it started on there, you let her go neutral. Not the bucket, but like the balance of the pusher. And then you let it slide all the way on there. the machine a little bit, so my little hanging weight is as close to the middle as I can get it. I mean, we're putting in T-posts. And then you just push it in. When it stops, it's in. See, is where this really goes quick is when you got two people and you got all the T-posts just laying on the ground, and you have somebody stick the T-post into the tube, and then they line it up where it should be on the ground, and then the operator levels it, just shoves it in the ground. Where I went and pre-started all these so I could just push them in and level them. This would go a lot quicker if I wasn't looking through the camera. I don't have any depth of perception. That piece I put on then there helps a lot. It was always a struggle to get it to go on before when it was just myself doing this. This one will be a little bit easier to see. It doesn't have the grass around it. Just kind of level it up. Push it to the ground. Nothing to it. This isn't really necessary when you're just doing a couple posts. The hand driver is just fine. But if your ground is pretty packed and you got a lot of posts to do, this thing saves you from getting callous. Some hand units, they tear up your hands pretty good. Even when I wear gloves, they seem to tear them up pretty good. Well, guys, I got quite a few more to go here. Not sure when I'm going to be able to put the wire on with this rain. I don't know if I feel like standing out in the rain doing that, so might be a short video here. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.